Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to adjust a screw-in links bracelet on your watch in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. You'll need a small screwdriver with a fine tip and a soft cloth for cleaning. Look for the screws on the side of the bracelet links. These are what we'll be adjusting to resize the bracelet. Use the screwdriver to gently turn the screws counterclockwise to loosen them. Be careful not to scratch the bracelet or lose any screws. Depending on how tight or loose you want the bracelet, remove or add links accordingly on both sides. Keep any removed links in a safe place for future adjustments. Align the bracelet links properly and tighten the screws by turning them clockwise until they're snug. Avoid over-tightening to prevent damaging the threads. Use the soft cloth to wipe down the bracelet, removing any fingerprints or smudges for a clean finish. Slide the watch onto your wrist to check the fit. It should feel comfortable with a slight movement and not too tight. There you go! Adjusting a screw-in links bracelet is quick and easy with these steps. Your BOLDR watch is now set and ready to go.